Hi everyone. As you are aware that the Karnataka Examination Board has rolled out a schedule to conduct online examination in the month of August, and it is a good practice to look into a question paper, previous year question paper before making an attempt. And my main focus is on MBA question paper, and the available set in the website is set E, and we are going to look into question paper. Let's start with the questions. The area of rectangular field is 144 meters square, and if its length is increased by 5 meters and the area is increased by 40 meters, because of changing the length by 5 meters, the area has increased 40 meters, and they are asking to find us the length of the field. So we know that length into breadth is equal to area of rectangular, which is 144 meters square, and if they increase their length by 5, and it becomes area becomes 184. What we have to do, if we take in the first equation L into B is equal to 144, B is equal to 144 by L. If you substitute that in the equation 2, if you do like that, you will get quadratic equation. It's going to be difficult to solve. Better what you do, you go for substitution. Take first option 16. If you substitute 16 in first equation, B is equal to 144 by 16, you will get 9. If you substitute L16 in second equation, you will get B is equal to 184 divided by 21, it is 8 point something. And substitute L is equal to 18, then you will get B is equal to 144 by 18, which is 9. And 18 plus by 23, B is equal to 184 by 23, which is 9. So answer is B is right. There is no need to go for further option because of time constraints. There won't be such a twist in the questions. And we'll go for second question. The height and radius of the base of the cone each are increased by 100%. The volume of the cone then increases by, we have to know the formula of cone. It is 1 by 3 pi r square h. When it is increased by 100%, now it becomes, r is become 2r, 2r square is 4r square, h is equal to 2h. H is equal to 2h. If you solve this, 1 by 3 pi cancel out, r square will cancel out, h and h cancel out, you will left with 4 into 2, 8, which is 8 times. This is the right answer. How many 5-digit numbers can be formed with the digits 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, so that the even digits always occupy the even place? So the thing is, we have to form a 5-digit number, and they have given 7 numbers. In 5-digit number, there will be 2 even places and 3 odd places. In given number, there are 7 numbers, out of which there are 2 even numbers, and 4 is repeated twice. Means they have given 3 even numbers. In that 4 is repeated twice, and in odd numbers there are totally 4 odd numbers, in which 3 and 5 repeated twice. So how we are going to calculate? So the thing is, the odd number are 4 odd numbers, which can be arranged equal to 4 factorial. If odd numbers are of different, means they should not be same numbers. Repetitive numbers is there, then what we are going to do is, we are going to divide it by 3 is repeated twice, you take 2 factorial, and same thing happens with 5 also repeated twice, you will get 5 factorial, and you will get how much you will get? 4, you will get 6. And even digits are 3 even digits, and we have 2 positions. 3 even can be arranged in 3 factorial, and 4 is repeated twice, it is 2 factorial, then you will get 3. You multiply 6 into 3 is 18 is the answer. There are 10 points in a plane, no 3 of which are in the same straight line, excepting the 4 points which are collinear. Find the number of triangles that can be formed with the vertices as their points. So in order to form a triangle, we need 3 points. There are 10 points, we can form 10C3. Means 10 points, out of which we need 3 points to form a triangle. So we are choosing 10C3. It is 10 factorial divided by NCR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. It will be 7 factorial divided by 3 factorial. So by solving this, you will get 120. But they have given the condition that there are accepting the 4 points. From 4 points, how many triangles we can create is a 4C3. 4C3 is equal to 4. If you solve, you will get 4. So out of, if we consider all 10 points, you can form a 120 triangles. But for accepting those 4 points means we have to accept these 4 triangles out of 120. Then you will get answer 1 to 16. The odds in favor of an event A is 3:2 and that of another independent event B is 5:4. What is the probability of event will happen? So the question is, at least one event will happen. I have not mentioned here, it is at least one event will happen. And the thing is, they have given 3:2, means in order to find the probability of A, means 3% is in favor of A out of 5. It is 3 by 5. And probability of B is out of 9, 5 is in favor of B. This is the thing. So the question is, here I have not mentioned at least one. To find at least one, first thing is consider what is the probability of A, P of A, and next is P of B, what is happening, and we have to subtract those will not happen, these two will not happen, it is A intersection B. How we are going to find A intersection B is, A intersection B is nothing but product of P of A into P of B. So if you substitute P of A is 3 by 5, P of B is 5 by 9, minus, how we are going to find A intersection, A union, A intersection B is, A intersection B formula is P of A into P of B. It's the formula. So P of B, which is A, is the right answer. If 2 power 9 plus 2 power 9 plus 2 power 9 plus 2 power 9 is simplified, how much we will get? You just take 2 power 9 as a common. You will left with 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. It is 2 square. 2 power 9. 2 power 9 into 2 square is equal to 2 power 11. You know that 2 power A plus 2 power AB is equal to 2 power A plus B. So answer is D. The difference between two numbers is 642. When the greater number is divided by smaller, quotient is 8 and the remainder is 9. Find the greater number. They given two numbers x and y, and x is the bigger number, y is a smaller number. The difference is 642. And when the greater number is divided by smaller, you will get quotient 8 and the remainder 9. So what does it mean is greater number is x. If you divided it by smaller number, what you will get? 8y plus 19. This is the main logic behind it. By solving this, you will get the, by substituting, consider x is equal to 642 plus y. You substitute in the second equation y, you will get y as 89. And you substitute y in the equation 1, x minus y is equal to 642. And y is equal to, x is equal to 642 plus 89, you will get 731.